पार्टी को तो बोनस मिल गया, ना आपने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया, ना आपने कोई सीट जीती, और 90-95 लोग जो कि जीते हुए थे इलेक्शन उन्होंने आपकी पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लिया। तो ये तो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ अ बोनस रिसीव बाय योर पार्टी
thanks to the election commission. If the election commission,
it is not the question of election commission.
Yes,
और ये formulations नहीं है फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, these are the facts written by the election commission, not the formulations.
No, they have
इनके सुन तो लीजिए, इनके formulation शुरू होते हैं पेज 7 से फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, my dear।
फैसल साहब इसलिए आए कि
अच्छा आप पेज 75 देख लें आप जी।
आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि उस बोनस का फायदा कोई नहीं।
लेकिन गालिब ने इससे कहा था,
क्या ये दुरुस्त होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंट से कि the elections were free and fair, everything was normal, and you see there was some insanity in taking this extraordinary course by a major political party for which people had voted?
that is exactly why it was taken, and the record is before your lordship. If your lordship thinks that the election commission has acted justly, fairly and honestly, we have no case before your lordship. My lord, इस पे मैं एक पेज और दिखा दूं, पेज 75 देख लीजिएगा इसी समय में, and I am on my last point after this.
अगर हम ये कहें कि
जी
for the sake of arguments, अगर हम ये कहें कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने गलत किया, then you have a case.
Sir, then your lordship has to reverse everything.
And again,
that is up to your
you will
lordship.
have no case.
No, that is up to your lordship. But वो जो order है of allowing the joining of independents SIC, my lord, how was that order passed? क्योंकि ये सवाल उठा था कि वो notification किस provision के अंडर, वो मैं आपको provision दिखाऊंगा। पहले page 75 मैं लिखवा दूं आपको। Page 75 of this same CMA. 75 onwards आप देखेंगे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पूरा रिकॉर्ड दिया हुआ है on what day independents have joined SIC. It's not simply a fact. I will show to your lordships that it's not simply a fact. It's a recognition by the election commission that the independents have now become a part of the SIC. 75 onwards आप देख लीजिए. Now I come to under what provision does this happen? अगर आप इलेक्शन रूल्स 92 देख लें, if your lordship has and ladyship have rule 92, if your lordship and ladyship may see sub rule 6 proviso,
सब रूल
6 proviso. If I may read, sir, how does this happen? Independents joining parties. The proviso. Rule 6 पहले में, for the purpose of this rule, the expression the total number of general seats won by political parties shall include the independent return candidates or candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazettes of the names of the returned candidates. Provided, now this is how it happens, provided if the independent candidates applies to the leader of a political party for joining his party, then the leader of the political party will forthwith inform the commission of joining of such candidates through a letter to be delivered to the commission along with consent of the candidates duly attested by a notary appointed under the Notaries Ordinance 1961 or an oath commissioner appointed under the Oaths Act 1873 or a government servant in basic scale 17 and above, provided the consent of the independent candidate so delivered to the commission, and these are all documents filed by the election commission, shall in no circumstances be open to recall or cancellation. Now, how does the notification come? Rule 94, sub rule 1.
Open to recall and cancellation, what does that mean?
सर जो कंसेंट होगी वो कैंडिडेट्स रिकॉल नहीं कर सकता.
It's a one-time thing.
जी, it's a one time. Yes. Rule 94. The Commission shall, by notification in the official gazette, declare the total number of reserved seats won by each political party in the National Assembly and the Provincial Assembly and respectively. So this is the वो जो notification मैंने आपको दिखाया था, this was the Election Commission really informing the National Assembly के कौन से members independent है, कौन से members ने various political parties join कर लिए, because that is their mandate under Rule 92 sub rule 6 proviso. My lord, let me now move on to my last point.